Hi, my name is Joe. Today I'm going to be installing an AC bracket kit that I've developed to put on my 78 C10 Blazer. So if you look at all the parts, the way I've laid it out, I've identified the bolts on all the spacers. Starting out, the compressor spacers are the shortest, the cylinder head are the next shortest, and the water pump are the third longest. These are the longest here. These are the spacers that go between the two plates. So I'm going to grab the spacers and the plate, and I'm going to start with the assembly and show you how it's done. This shouldn't take more than about 4 or 5 minutes. So first I'm going to grab the rear. This is to the cylinder head. And then I'm going to grab the cylinder head bolt, the 3 spacers, these 2 bolts. Okay, I began by putting the spacer on the lower corner. I'm going to go ahead and start this on the head. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and install the other 2 spacers. These 2 long bolts will be coming out when I put the front plate on, but I want to capture these spacers between the head and the plate if I can. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tighten up the lower bolt. Okay, and I lifted that up just a little bit so that I would have clearance for these bolts to come out. And as you can see, all 3 spacers are captured now. So I'm going to move on to going ahead and putting the front plate on. Okay, what I have now is I have the 2 bolts that hold this to the water pump. I'm going to install the 2 bolts as well as the 2 spacers and install that on the water pump. I'm not really tightening anything right now. I'm just loosely assembling this until I get the compressor set in there so that everything will line up properly. So those are just finger tight. Now I'm going to grab the 2 long spacers as well as the tensioner. The longest bolt in the kit will be your tensioner bolt. Goes in like that. So now I'm just going to set this here. I'm going to go ahead and put the spacers in there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put the other spacer in and put the tensioner on as well. There's a little hole in the front plate that the pin on the pin on the tensioner locates. So you go ahead and get that located and run this on in. Okay, there you have it. That's probably 3 to 5 minutes. It's a nice kit. If you guys want to purchase one, you can buy it from Joe here at Barracuda Racing Products, 928-232-7111. If you buy a kit and you have any problems installing it, give me a call and I can walk you through it. Anyway, you guys have a great day. Once again, 928-232-7111. I'll be installing the compressor and putting on the belt in my next video. Look forward to seeing that and possibly selling your kit. Thank you. Bye.